the other athletes. I celebrate all of you. We will make sure that we give you due recognition, and the efforts you make, the sacrifices you make, we will, to the extent possible as government, try to recognize and reward those efforts that you're making. I have given very clear instructions to the ministry on the kind of reward system, Waziri, on how, so that, more young people can understand that there is something in sports, and the sports can be a career. And let me also say this, that we have a whole commercial business around these sports. Our business people are sleeping on the job. They are sleeping in business. How can people be looking for Kenyan sports wear and sports gear in Paris and there is nobody to sell? What are you doing? Here in Kenya, kelele tu, tunapigiana kelele hapa. Watu wangekuwa huko Paris wakiuza vitu huko. So I want to encourage more business people, more enterprises, more companies to commercialize our sports, put in the money for us to have that brand that is Kenyan, and a brand that will earn more money for our sportsmen and women. I am looking forward to expanding the sports infrastructure. And I want to encourage not just government, but even the private sector. I know, for example, that around this region, there are facilities funded by different people. Those facilities should be taken to the next level so that we can have more young people access training, sports gear, facilities, assistance, mentorship, as we deal with the menace of doping. We must deal with it firmly, decisively, so that it doesn't undermine our great talent as a country.